7 a.m. About to go down and have some breakfast at the hotel. Then I'm gonna get ready to head up to the mountain. It's cold outside. Ooh. It is 11 degrees. The high today is 24 with the possibility of 3 to 8 inches of snow in the afternoon. So yeah, I gotta get moving because I wanna be on the mountain when it's snowing, hopefully get some fresh snow while I'm riding down. I'm excited. I need to make sure that I have enough layers. I have this, my winter jacket, my hat, my helmet, my gloves, my ski pants, and I'll probably wear sweatpants underneath my ski pants as well. And I got my awesome really warm socks that my brother got me for Christmas, so those are gonna keep my toes warm. I actually see some snow starting to fall already. It's time to get moving. Let's do it. Cold out here.
So I just did my first run, and it's like riding a bike. It's just there. I know how to do it. It's like it hasn't been 12 years. And I actually counted. It's been since February or March of 2012. So it's been 12 years since I skied. And I just did my first run, and it was like nothing. So easy. Feels a little different. I feel a little bit of heaviness in my legs. But man, apart from it being cold. Oh, what a joy. What a joy, man. Where have I been for the last 12 years? I am gonna need a new helmet though, because this one is a little goofy looking. I'm about to try to use my music for the first time, so we're gonna see how that goes. To get cold. See if I can pull this thing down. Got a snowstorm here. I'm just taking a little break here in the car while I wait for my phone to charge. It is snowing a lot. We're supposed to get 6 to 8 inches here. My hotel is about 30 minutes away, so I'm keeping an eye on when I need to head out because I don't want to get stuck on some side road in back streets of Maine. But luckily I have this Jeep. This is kind of what Jeeps are for. It's gonna be put to the test a little bit today. But yeah, I got 2 more hours left of skiing. Man, it's been so fun. It's been so awesome. I can't believe I haven't done this in 12 years. It's kind of like insane when you have like a passion or a love. And the same thing is happening with me with tennis. I've stopped playing tennis the past year, the past 2 years. Just haven't played as much. So my message for y'all today, don't let the things that you love slip away, whether it be people or passions like hobbies, activities, pastimes, things that make you feel good and alive and happy and joyful, things that you want to wake up and go do right away. Those are the things you can't let go. Don't let go of the things you love. It's really piling up. It's about time for me to head back to the slopes before there's too much snow here. Goodness. Oh my gosh, so cold. That was awesome. That was so worth it. So glad I came up here. But at the end, oh, my hips were getting tired. So tired. I gotta take these boots off. Alright, time to go back to the hotel in this snowstorm. It was super dope to ski in powder, like fresh powder. Every time I kept going up the hill, there's more and more powder. It made the conditions a lot better because they were super icy before. It's been so warm up here, it's been rainy, so I came at the perfect time. And I got a really good deal on lift tickets, so super psyched about everything. Didn't get injured, had a great time. It's been awesome.